Welcome to our channel, Getaway Memories. And I'm here today at this wonderful, let me pull this back here. This is where we're at. We are at Hunt's Do-It Center. And it's a plumbing, it's a hardware, it's a garden center. And they have, the reason why I'm here, I should say, is because I needed, well, if I can find it here. I probably got it in the bag. Here it is, right? Yeah. I needed this. Get it out of my pocket. That is what I needed. It's a lag bolt. It goes in from the toilet down to the floor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little tour of what they have here. They got some modern, newer stuff, and they got some older stuff. So we're going to come in. We're going to give you a quick tour. So you come in. You know, over here you got gas cans, your oils, and etc. here. And they got grill. Here, let me see. We're gonna show you. They do have a RV section. Let me show you where that is. Hold on, I'm getting lost in this store. It's a lot here. Let me take you over here for a minute. Your tarps, etc. Over here, all right. It's a really big place here. Right over here, this is their RV section. And they have a really good selection of things here.
Yep, and I do 3 days, $5. So it gets me out. Yep.
And even for boats here too. Put this down here like that. So you got a lot. They got a really big selection. Their hoses, etc. Down here. And let me just take you down quickly and show you. They even got more things over here. It's a pretty big store. And this is located in downtown, I believe this to be Montague. Montague and Whitehall, so close together, but I believe this is Montague, Michigan. So they have a real big selection, a real massive selection here. I mean, this is, and the prices are very, very good, very reasonable. Here's their plumbing section, commercial and industrial here. You can find that item that you really can't get anywhere else. You may find it here if you're here. they've got all sorts of electrical, surge protectors, insulate, you know, if you need some insulators or anything like that. They got good sump pumps selection. They got massive. I'm very impressed with this store, and there are aisles and aisles and rows of screws. If you need to get screwed, you come right here. Nuts and washers. I mean, they've got it all here. Look at that Velcro selection up here too. My goodness gracious. I mean, and anchors. You can get propane filled. I mean, like I said, this is a real big store. I mean, look at, you can see for yourself here. Their paint select. I mean, if you can't find it here, I don't know what to say to you. And bird cages.
The bigger the store they have, the more stuff they can put in.
Okay, so you had a beautiful tour of the store. It's a big store. I mean, my goodness, like I said before, if you can't find it here, you ain't gonna be able to find it. That's my thinking. Anyway, we're gonna, I want to give you to Mike. I'm gonna show you Mike right here. He's worked here for how long, sir?
3 years.
3 years. And he's going to talk to you a little bit. I'm gonna ask him about the history here, etc. And so Mike, how long has the store been here?
Since 1946. It was originally Hunt's Hardware. They had a rental division across the street, and then when they moved over here, that slowly went out. Gilroy's, the previous owners, have retired, and Gilroy's have bought this store, and we've added a little bit more product. Some of the stuff that he probably didn't show you, we have things in a shed to rent out. We also have an upstairs that we do screen repair and glass cutting.
Oh, wow.
So if you need any screens repaired, we can get them done in a day or two and get them back to you as soon as possible. We also have seasonal items such as barbecue grills and etc. But the store, if you don't have it in the store and you need it, we can order it. We get 2 trucks a week. So depending on the day that you want something, it'll probably be Tuesday or Friday when it comes in on the truck.
So now what's the average time for somebody, if they needed something ordered, special ordered, What's the average time it would take to get it, maybe?
If it's in stock and in the warehouse, it's going to be 2 to 5 days.
Okay, all right.
So.
And I see behind you, you do have hunting, fishing, etc. So you can come here and get that too, correct?
Yes, you can get your hunting license, you can get your ORV permits, your snowmobile permits. We cut keys. We also have flags and pet stuff. It's just overwhelming of all the product that's in the store. And if you come into the store, don't forget, look up, because we have a lot of stuff on the top shelves, and if you can't find it down below, you can find it up above.
Absolutely.
We have a great paint selection. It's made by Sherwin-Williams. We also mix paint, we match paint, so we have anything you need in the painting needs. Our steel chainsaw selection over here, we just got that. We're excited about that. That's going good. We've got anything, just about anything Yeti makes.
Oh, I saw that Yeti selection. It's pretty big.
Big collection.
And I see you do propane here.
Yes, we fill propane. We do not replace the tanks. We don't trade tanks out. The only thing we do is fill them.
And is there a limit on the? I imagine a motorhome couldn't come in here and get.
Yes,
filled.
they can.
They can.
Yeah, we can fill 100-pound tanks.
I mean, they can drive their motorhome in here and get them. No kidding.
Yes.
Wow. Now you would think, because I'll tell you, I made this mistake of coming. I wanted to come here, so that wasn't a mistake. The mistake was I thought I could walk through the front entrance off the street and turn around. I had to go in the. You would think it's the back.
No.
But when you see, you'll see why when you come in here, why that is. I was blown away, and I thought I would share with my fans. You know, if you're here in Montague, correct?
Correct.
Is this Montague? 'Cause I was thinking when I was, is this Montague or Whitehall?
Whitehall.
Oh,
You're in
see,
Whitehall.
I'm in Whitehall. Okay, I said Montague, cancel that. It's Whitehall. And we'll put the address in the beginning of the video and all that. But the reason why I wanted to film this for my viewers is I want you to see a hardware store, not this rinky-dink stuff. This is a massive hardware store, and I just wanted to show them some love. If you're here in Whitehall, Montague area, show them some love. If you need something, come on here. You know, everybody goes to the other, but this place is definitely worth your stop.
77.
Anyway, Mike, thank you. If there's anything else you'd like to add to it.
Yeah, just have a great day, and we look forward to seeing everybody come in and say hi.
There you go. Yep, say Mike, say hi to Mike. I don't know that gentleman over there. Zach. And this young lady that's waiting on her right now. And they got a couple of other employees there as well. So anyway, we thank you for watching, and just remember, like, subscribe, and all that, and you know the deal. But thank you for watching, and you have yourself a sparkling day.
Remembered that.